Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant forest, there lived many different animals. Friends, we need to come up with a plan to make our forest a better place for everyone. Why don't we divide the forest into zones? Each zone can have specific rules that everyone follows. What if we create a schedule for gathering food? That way, we can avoid conflicts over resources. We can form teams to look out for dangers and alert everyone if there's trouble. The animals decided to combine all their ideas. They divided the forest into zones, created a food gathering schedule, and formed teams for safety. With the new plan in place, the forest became a peaceful and harmonious place where every animal played a part. And so, the animals learned that by working together and respecting each other's needs, they could all live happily. The moral of the story is, cooperation and planning can lead to a better life for everyone.